Hi, my name is Arun. Hello guys, my name is Varun and thank you so much for joining in the show. How many of you have seen it live on screen? How many of you have seen it live on screen? Raise your hand. All right, so this is going to be a one of a kind experience for all of you. Naman, which bag do you believe is safe for us? I say 2 and I say 3. You think bag number 1 is safe for me, right? And I say 3. And that's again a safe bag. Thank you so much, Pradanya. Thank you so much. Which bag do you believe has spike in it?
Uh, Arun, I say 2 has the spike in it.
2 and I say 3. And that's the last and fourth bag, which indeed contains a spike in it. And that's the only bag with the spike. And thank you so much, Richa. Soumya, so you can hear me, right? All right. So Soumya, imagine you and me and Arun, we met in a party last night and we were showing you a magic trick. And we asked you to write down your favorite dish on a piece of paper, your favorite dish. And what you did at that point of time is you took a A4 sheet and you took a bold marker and you wrote down your favorite dish in a big bold letters and gave it to Arun. And when you gave that sheet to me, Soumya, I handed over my phone to you because I wanted you to take a picture of that moment. We wanted to capture and make that as a memory. So now I am giving imaginary, I am giving you my cell phone, just take it, and imagine as if I am holding that piece of paper in my hand. And now mimic as if you are actually taking a photo from your camera. Just take a
sheet is in your hand.
Yeah, I'm holding a sheet. You have my phone. Take a photo of me.
Okay.
Yeah, go on. Oh, that's fantastic. That's fantastic. So, Soumya, you have taken a photograph. And now for the very first time, tell all of us, what is that favorite dish you wrote with a black bold marker on that white paper?
It's chole bhature.
Chole bhature.
Perfect.
This cell phone is in full view from the very beginning. That's right?
That is, yeah.
That is right. What I'll do is, as clean as I can, I will unlock my phone. I will swipe it up. I will put the pattern lock. So now all of you knows the pattern that I have on my phone now. I will open the apps. I will go to File Manager. And now you see the pictures is the first icon. I just tap on pictures. And now there is a photograph of me. If you can just make out something. Can you see it? No. Let me tap on it. Let me tap on it. Now you should be able to see it, right? I am holding a white paper, a piece of paper, right? Now let me zoom it little bit, and take it closer to the camera, Soumya, so that you can read.
Oh my God.
You wrote on that piece of paper. This indeed.
That's impossible. That's seriously impossible.
This is the power of memory, Soumya. And that's how we create memory. And just now we have given you one more memory to cherish for a longer time now. I will be refilling it down and just ask me to stop.
Stop.
Right there? Are you happy or shall I go on?
Yes, please. Happy.
Happy? Happy? Okay. I'll show you the name. Just lock the name in your head and let me know if you can see it. Just say yes. Once you have seen it, do not say it out loud. Just say yes.
Yeah.
You have seen it?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. I'll close the diary and over to Varun. All right. So all I can sense from your thought process is that the personality is a male, right? Just say me yes or no. All right. So that personality is a male. Okay. Just keep on thinking about him and just keep on thinking about his face, his eyes, his nose, his hairs, his smile, or his anything unique in his facial expressions or something. Just keep on thinking about that thing, and I'm doing something with this piece of paper with me, and I'm getting something with my power of magic, and I just need few more cuts. So Srinivas, okay, so you're thinking about that personality, right? And there's absolutely no way we could have known that because we were blindfolded during the whole trick.
Yeah.
All right, so Srinivas, for the very first time, tell us and tell everyone what is the personality name that you are thinking of.
Sachin Tendulkar.
Sachin Tendulkar.
Yeah.
That's
Okay,
great.
so let us give you the master blaster, the god of cricket, the living legend, Sachin Tendulkar.
Wow. That's amazing.
Guys, thank you so much for joining in. Please unmute yourself and give a huge round of applause to all of us. Please unmute yourself. And then let's clap
Thank you
for
so much.
each one of us. Thank you so much, guys.
And guys, we will keep doing these shows. So keep checking on, keep logging on to Crackit and getting more information of upcoming events.
Yeah. And check Arun Varun official.
And check Arun Varun official as well.
And Crackit India is the main head behind us. So do check the Instagram account of Crackit also. Thank you so much, guys.